enough blabbering, but let's just actually get into these because I am so excited. Oh. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're finally unboxing it. We are finally unboxing it. Typically, Skullcandy is a brand I back like absolute crazy, but I've been disappointed for the past, I'd say, month and a half because these have been delayed by shipping. If you can read the title of this video, you know exactly what I'm saying. I got the Skullcandy video headphones specifically in the white color because, come on, white color. They look premium, they look slick, they look very, very nice. And we finally got them right here. The reasoning behind why I'm upset is mainly because these were initially supposed to ship the 27th of September, and it is October 4th, which obviously, to be honest, isn't that bad. Skullcandy did send out an email with a generous coupon code for 20% off, something like that. I'm not sure. We have the box here now. Let's open it up. This is like not typically what I use for my unboxing space, but we'll try it out. So let's get into this. And while I'm getting into this, this is something that Skullcandy has done with their headphones for the first time in a very, very long time. Probably since their very first noise cancelling headphones. Yes, if nobody knew about that. They've had a pair of noise cancelling headphones when they very first started. They were called the Skullcandy Proletariat. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. You can view that somewhere up in the iCard. I made a video about that a while ago. They were discontinued within the year because they didn't get that high marks, apparently, or whatever. I'm not sure. I forget exactly what it is. This is basically a refresh of that and a combination of the Crushers and the Hesh 3 combined. So I'm actually extremely excited for this. So let's put that there. Get all the plastic out of the way. Let me back up a little bit here in this chair. Now I'm stuck. Alright. So basically going over the box really quick. Bluetooth wireless technology, 24 hours of battery life. Which is pretty cool about that is it's lower than the Crusher, but it's better than the Hesh 3, which is pretty good. They also kind of look like a hybrid between the two headphones. And with rapid charge technology, with 10 minutes of charging, you get 5 hours of playback, which is insane. Mostly Skullcandy products I know a lot about because I do my research and I've been with this company for a long, long time. Open this up for the first time. Ooh, hello. This look pretty. This look very, ooh, very sensual. So what I like about this too is that this is very, oh good god. It's a very nice hard, Skullcandy never does hard cases. They never do. This is very, very nice. Another thing about these headphones too, besides having noise cancellation and that good battery life, is, get ready for this. This might not be as important for some people, but for me, always being on the go and using my phone and losing a bunch of things. Okay, I'm just gonna say it. They have technology built into them that's like tile. Have you ever heard of these little tiles? They're basically small little cubes that you can attach to your wallet, your purse, or a set of car keys or whatever. So if you happen to lose that, you can track it, go in the app and search it. That has this technology built into here. So if you lose your headphones, you can basically press a dial on the app, or, well, in this case, yeah, it is the app, I'm sorry, because it's connected to the headphones, and it'll create a dial tone, like, whip, whip, it'll make a tone telling you where the headphones are, so, which is actually really, really cool. Enough blabbering, but let's just actually get into these, because I am so excited. Oh. This is awesome. This is awesome. Ooh, these actually feel really lightweight too. Look at that. By the way, I'm not sure, I haven't found a video on YouTube yet of the white colors. These look clean. They're also very light. They're heavier than the Hesh, but they're lighter than the Crusher. That's the easiest way to explain it. The headband feels about the same as the Hesh, but again, it's more of a hybrid between the two. Like, from my understanding, they also look absolutely fantastic. These ear pads look fantastic. It has ANC written on the inside of the ear cup. I don't know how easy it is to see that, which is pretty cool. Damn. These are really nice. Let me try these on before actually, if I can take the hat off. Ooh. Okay, getting right into the actual feel of them, these are extremely comfortable. Again, I keep saying this, but they feel like a hybrid between the Crusher and the Hash 3. Again, that's literally just what it is. That is exactly what these are. They feel absolutely phenomenal. Going over quick on the headphones. You have your volume up and down, and your play and pause, and your charging port, and your headphone jack. So if you want to plug in your external cable, if you don't have a non-Bluetooth device, or you just want to plug it in when your battery is running low. But ANC does not work without power. You have to have these charged to be able to use noise cancellation, which is a little bit of a downfall, but besides that, that's fine. And this cable, nice and long charging cable, which is better. They've been listening to people. I'm actually really excited about this. What is going on with my camera? Something's going on. Sorry about that, my camera was getting a little memory. Okay, anyways, these look absolutely fantastic. They're comfortable. I haven't heard them yet, so we're gonna have to get to that and the review in the next couple of weeks because I am so pumped up for these. I am excited. I am ecstatic. They have a lot to give to them. I'm not gonna pull them apart too far, obviously, because I don't want to break them. Obviously, because these are brand new. Again, Skullcandy, I am a little disappointed in you guys. These haven't came out sooner than later. Well, the specific color, these were on back order or something. I'm not sure exactly what it was, but they did give a nice coupon code. I did not use that yet, and I probably will not plan to until I get the next Skullcandy product. Maybe the Crusher, I don't know, or maybe the next one. I forget, they released another pair of headphones literally a couple of years ago. I'm not sure exactly what those are. Yes, I'll definitely get to work on that, but these things, man, these look pristine and they look clean. These are extremely nice. I also see that they have a little quick start guide right into here. I'm genuinely extremely excited. I'm excited, but now it's time to get to work and test these out and get back to you guys. These look extremely fantastic. I can't wait to get to them with all the new features and everything. They have a bunch of new things built into these besides looking at them in the tile and everything. But yes, I'm extremely excited for these, the case and everything. You know what? You guys have heard enough. Thank you for coming and visiting my unboxing of the Skullcandy Hash 3. Thank you for coming and visiting my unboxing of the Skullcandy Venue headphones. These look extremely nice. I'll be back to you guys in a couple weeks for the final review. Until next time, guys, make sure to stay tuned for more.